children, welcome back to Mindspark. Okay, so today's topic is quadratic equations for class 10th. Okay, chapter 4, and today I'm going to teach you about the formula method. What is a formula method? Okay, so here it is. Compare with the same equation or the previous class I took. Okay, I'll take the same equation and we'll solve this by formula method. Previous class I solved it by factorization method. Again, any method you have to compare with the general equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, same, then compare. Okay, coefficient of x square is a and coefficient of x square in the main quotient is 1. So when you compare, it is a is equal to 1, coefficient of x is b, and here coefficient of x is 3 and constant 2. Okay, it's clear. Now the formula method is, we have x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So this is the formula method where you are going to use to solve the quadratic equation for the roots or zeros of the quadratic equation, to find that. And what is b square minus 4ac? Okay, b square minus 4ac is the discriminant. Okay, d is called as discriminant. So before solving the quadratic equation, we have to find out or test for d. So we have three conditions. Okay, first condition is, case 1 is, you have, if you find the d value is greater than 0, the value of d is greater than 0, then the roots are distinct and real. Okay, the roots are what? The roots are distinct and real. Okay, and second case, if d is equal to 0, when you find discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then roots are equal. Okay, roots are equal. And if d is less than 0, then there are no roots. Okay, there are no roots. I'm called as no roots for that. Okay, and in higher classes you can go for, when it's less than 0, then it is called as imaginary. You can get imaginary roots, but for time being, for the 10th, this is, there are three conditions. D is greater than 0, roots are distinct and real, d is equal to 0, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, that is roots are equal, and less than 0 is, there are no roots. And now first you find out for this given equation, d is equal to how much? B square minus 4ac. So d is equal to, in place of b, okay, whenever you are replacing, you put bracket. So in place of b you put 3. You can see here, comparing with the coefficient of x, b is equal to 3. So 3 square minus 4. Again, in place of a, you substitute 1. In place of c, substitute 2. So you get d is equal to 3 square. 3 square is how much? 3 into 3, 9. So 9 minus 4 into 1 into 2, that is 8. So d is equal to how much you are getting? 1. So 1 is the real. Okay, the first condition is greater than 0. So the roots are distinct and real. So now we are applying the formula. So x is equal to, wherever b is there, okay, in place of b substitute minus of 3 plus or minus square root of already we found out d, okay, and you can substitute back that 1, okay, divided by 2 into a is 1. Yeah, x is equal to you'll get minus 3 plus or minus square root of 1 is how much? Square root of 1 is 1 divided by 2. Here two values will come, okay. So one is you'll get x is equal to minus 3, one time you put plus 1 by 2, or x is equal to minus 3 minus 1 by 2. Is it clear? So once I put plus, okay, minus 3 plus 1 by 2, another time I put minus 3 minus 1. So x is equal to you can see here minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 is bigger number, okay. So 1 minus and 1 plus is there, you have to subtract, and minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. You put the minus sign, okay, because 3 is the bigger number, in front of that minus sign is there. So minus 2 by 2 is 1, or x is equal to minus 3 minus 1. So minus 3 means minus 3 minus 1 is both negative numbers. You have to do the operation, addition operation, but you have to put minus sign. That is minus 4 by 2. So x is equal to cancel. So x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to, or x is equal to minus 2. So you are getting two roots, or you can call it as two zeros of the given quadratic equation. I'll give you some more problems. So you practice the similar type, okay, the very friendly numbers. So this quadratic equation, again I'll give few more questions. You can copy down and you can work out, so that you will get practice, okay. You will get a lot of practice. First you should do more practice before entering into your textbook, because textbook every problem is different. So in order to compensate, or in order to say be compatible with the textbook, you can solve some more problems. I'll give my own problems, you can work out that, okay. So if you practice, you will be very thorough with the chapter, okay. So you take down the problems, okay. So write all compulsorily, you practice, so that you will be very comfortable with the problems. So it is like square, you can take some problems similar type, okay. So x square plus, take 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. X square plus square plus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. Square plus 4, 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. X square plus 13x plus 12 is equal to 0. X square plus 20x plus 19 is equal to 0. X square plus 51x plus 50 is equal to 0. So these are the very similar problems. Okay, each time we'll get x plus 1 and you can use both the methods. We try with both factorization and at the same time formula method. You compare the answers. Answer should be the zeros of the quadratic division should be same. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for watching.